In question 8, by first expanding 2 sine into x minus 30, we have to express 2 sine x minus 30 minus cos x in the form r sine of x minus alpha. So we know that if it is sine of a minus b, it is given as, so I'll write it in short form, it will become sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So in this case, we have sine of x minus 30. So this will become sine of 30 cos x minus cos of x sine 30. Now multiplying this by 2, so we know that, okay, so this would have been sine of x cos 30. This will become sine of x cos 30. And now multiplying this by 2, we know that cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So this will become sine x root 3 upon 2 minus cos x, and sine 30 is half. So this will become half cos x minus cos x. So 2 times root 3 upon 2. So that will become root 3 sine of x. 2 times half will become 1. So this will become minus cos x minus cos x. And simplifying this, we'll get root 3 sine of x minus 2 cos of x. Now, as you have to express this in the form r sine of x minus alpha, if it is given in the form sine plus cos, so to find r, we do square root of the coefficient of sine and cos. So this will become root 3 whole squared plus minus 2 root minus 2 whole squared. Simplifying this, we'll get root 3 plus 4, so that will become root 7. And to find alpha, we'll have to do tan inverse of, so alpha will be equal to tan inverse of 2 divided by root 3. Substituting this in the calculator, we'll get 49.106. And we can simplify it to write it as 49.11. So alpha will be equals to 49.11. In part 2, we have to solve the equation 2 sine of x minus 30 minus cos x equals to 1. Now, in place of 2 sine of x minus 30 minus cos x, we can substitute the form r sine of x minus alpha. We already have the value of r, which is root 7 into sine of x minus, and alpha is 49.11 equals to 1. Now, taking root 7 on the right hand side, we'll get sine of x minus 49.11 is equals to 1 upon root 7. And finally, x minus 49.11 will be equal to sine inverse of 1 upon root 7. So we'll get the basic angle, which will be 22.21. So we'll get x minus 49.11 is equals to the basic angle, which is 22.21. Now we know that sine is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So we'll have to make the basic angle 22.21 in the first and the second quadrant. So we'll get two values of x in this case, which will be, so x will be x minus 49. Let's change the color over here. So let's use the blue color. So x minus 49.11 will be equals to 22.21, and we'll subtract 180 minus 22.21. So that will become 157.79. Now we'll add 49.11 to both the answers. So this will become 22.21 plus 49.21, that will become 71.3. And when we add 157.79, so 157.79 and 49.11, that will become 206.9. But as the value of x can only be from 0 till 180, so the final value of x will be x equals to 71.3 degrees.